la batteria e suonare con noi. Allora, noi siamo i Green Brothers Band and Review Funk Blues and Whatever More e vi proponiamo una serata di musica quantomeno particolare.
No, non è facile. Cosa il nostro presidente?
Sì, lo sto riprendendo.
Ancora un applauso al presidente e alla batteria. Grazie.
Lui è il suo compagno. Che se non l'avessi sperimentato non mi preoccupo, adesso sono grave. Ma invece sì, no, però no.
I got my mojo working, but it just won't work on you. I got my mojo working, but it just won't work on you. Oh, I got the something, you don't know what to do. I've been down to Louisiana, give me mojo in. I've been down to Louisiana, mojo in. I got you with my riding like a man. I got my mojo working, 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 got my. I got my mojo working. I got my mojo working, and it just don't work on you. Gypsy woman, stay with me on the night. I got the real gypsy, stay with me on the night. I'm gonna lay it dance now, oh, the sun is shining bright. Sing it! I got my mojo working. I got my mojo working. I got my mojo working. But it just won't work.
studio assieme a noi questa sera nei Green Brothers Band Review Funky e un Whatever More.